Welcome to the city that never sleeps. An Asian version of New York City. Here we go. This night in Kuala Lumpur. It's traffic jam. Welcome to the city that never sleeps. An Asian version of New York City. We are actually at the back of the Pavilion shopping mall. And you can see that how close that bus in my car. We'll try to go around that circle in front of the pavilion next time. Probably not tonight because I don't know if it's traffic jam or not. But I can probably make a try. It's going in the front, the pavilion. And here we go. This is the frontage of the pavilion. With the lights on. And it's definitely because of this intersection. As you can see, there's a lot of people and what is happening on both sides of the road.
Overhead motion detected.
So we are here, guys. This is the city of Kuala Lumpur. The city that never sleeps. We will circle this area like I've mentioned just now. So this is what's happening here during night time. They can park on the roadside.
Overhead motion
So that's the monorail as well passing through. Surprisingly that this is congested with the MRT stations around here. And what we will do now is that we circle around again and we go where we started. Again, this is how it looks like here still. This is where the congestion are with the cars parked at the roadside, and they are actually going for all of those night stores. So like I said, we are circling the pavilion area, and that is how it looks like here at night time. It's more or less 10 o'clock with the traffic lights and some of the workers probably is going out, and some people's coming in for their nightlife. So we are actually started in here as well just now. So that is it's not a big circle actually, but it's just the traffic and the congestions that makes us a little bit takes time. So here we go. So what we're gonna do now is we're going out to Jalan Imbi, where we usually get out the city and towards home. So it's a little bit clear now here at the back. When we started, it's just at the front there that when we turn right, you can see that ribbon, the big ribbon, the giant ribbon there. So now we're going out.
Vehicle ahead motion detected. Vehicle ahead motion detected.
So this is now Jalan Imbi, all the way to Jalan Bukit Bintang. No, sorry, it's Jalan Sultan Ismail, which is also connected to Jalan Bukit Bintang, which we came from just now. And just in front of us are the stalls, some Chinese stalls, restaurants, and all sorts of stuff. The left hand side is TRX. We will be featuring the TRX very soon. I've covered that one before, but I just wanted to walk around probably from this area here. If you can now, it's a little bit hidden on that left hand side. That will be the one that I wanted to walk through and show you what is happening there, going to the one of the skyscraper here in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. So this is a very lively place too. If you can see the very colorful signages and features. And again, we are going towards the Times Square. That's a brown building, if you can notice it in some of my video. During daytime, so that is the famous traffic light here. So what I'm talking about in the early morning if I'm driving. where we are at.
Be aware of the vehicle ahead. Vehicle ahead motion detected.
So there you go, that's all again for this nighttime driving here in the center of Kuala Lumpur, and I'll see you again soon. Oh, by the way, please don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon. Ciao.